Hey guys, it's me, Ivy Equine. Today was a rainy day at the barn. Right when I arrived to the barn, Priscilla was taking a nap. Sadly, my sister couldn't film any videos of me riding because she was working, but here's some clips that I got. I always love to trot Missy. She is so cute. After I had trotted her, I just took her on a little walk. This mule seemed pretty... Stop it! You're so loud! Anyways, this mule was very interested in Missy. So I just kept walking her along the fences and on the paths. It's official, Seven's gone, and I just trotted her back to her stall. Then I just scrubbed down all the saddles. Then I had to take my spurs off. Then I put away some saddles. There's the girlies! Because I had a lesson on Diamond, I just decided to brush her down after I untacked her. Then I took off her splint boots. When I was picking Diamond's hooves, the last hoof I picked, she stepped on me and it hurt. Then I will forever struggle to put her blanket on. So today I came home and my dog actually just got a haircut and they cut off literally his entire head and he literally looks like an ant. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you next time. Goodbye.